Good day everyone. Today's episode we are come to learn how to do your wash day routine, how your hairdresser should also wash the hair for his or your client. I introduce to you Nana. So first of all, you wet your hair with about 3 cups of water. That one enhances the hair to relax and also clean the shea butter, your pomade or anything in the hair. You apply your shampoo. I used Glory hair shampoo. So you first apply the shampoo, you scrub it in your hand and then apply it in the hair. When you pour it directly in the hair, some portions won't get the shampoo, some portion will get it, and it will be difficult for you. So you won't start by scrubbing the hair, the scalp of the hair harshly. You do it smoothly. And that is from the front to the back of the hair. As you scrub the hair, you don't use your fingers, but rather the tip of your fingers, not your fingernails. Because sometimes the fingernails hurt. And with relaxed hair, it might hurt the person very much. So you just use the tip of your fingers and then you scrub the hair thoroughly from front to back, sideways. So for me, when the hair is this plenty, I just take portion by portion. Assuming I divide it into some sections and then take it portion by portion from front, backwards, middle part, and then I scrub the scalp of the hair. When you focus on the scalp, you end up doing a very neat or good work. So now I rinse the first shampoo I kept in the hair and then go to the second one. The first one was to just remove the lubricants, the oily substance, and this one is to clean the hair thoroughly. So this one, you clean the hair, you clean the scalp, you gently massage the scalp for the person. It feels very good when you get hair massagement when you are washing hair. It's very nice and it will keep your customers for you. Don't focus just on the front parts because the person will be lying in the shower gel. So the person should get a contact with the outer part too. I mean the back of the hair. You should scrub it from middle, back, front, and every part. I mean every part of the hair should get the relaxing and then the massage. This shampoo contains mint, so the person feels the mint and the menthols. Wow, it's so refreshing. After that, you try and straighten the hair with your hand. When you follow this process, your washing becomes so easy. Then the person also becomes refreshed. The hair becomes clean. Don't feel lazy to clean or wash all the foam in the hair because this one is washing. After washing, we are coming to the conditioning part of the hair. So you wash everything. You see, I'm washing even my hand. So I wash everything. I come to the conditioner. This is the shea butter conditioner. It's very good. Not to brag of, my conditioner is very good and enhances hair growth. That one too, I apply it bit by bit so that every part of the hair will get the conditioning from the scalp to the hair and everything. She has a very thick hair, filled hair, but it's light. So with that, it's not that difficult. But if it was thick, filled, packed, and then heavy hair, you should have used more of the conditioner. But this, I used less conditioner. This one too, I begin to scrub the hair, massage it from the hairlines on the forehead. You massage it. So this section is mainly conditioning the hair. It doesn't necessarily mean the conditioner should be matching the hair, no, but it should be in proportion. I first clean the conditioner. So this is the first wash of the conditioner. I'm coming to apply it the second time. So this is the second time. And this time you concentrate on the tip of the hair as well. You wash the hair thoroughly in order to clean the dirt and also to condition the hair length. Conditioning is mainly the hair, but not much on the scalp. So you massage the scalp a bit and then you concentrate on the hair. In order to help me straighten my hair, I'll use a big comb. With combing while conditioning, you need to take portion by portion. If not, if the hair is that light, you break the hair. So I take portion by portion, comb it well. At parts when the hair isn't that relaxed, I add another conditioner to it. Her hair naturally is hard, but the conditioner has made it very soft. And the conditioner is also made of organic products only. So it won't foam as the normal conditioner does, but it has great impact on the hair more than the normal conditioners. I'm using the little or the small comb because I want to see how far the hair has conditioned. Then afterwards, you scrub it thoroughly. You scrub the conditioner thoroughly in the hair. So with this type of hair, even if the small comb can comb it, you should know that we are good to go. At parts when you don't get it so smooth, don't force to use the small comb to comb the hair, but first use the big comb and then you will use the small comb. Now you wash every particle of conditioner or every leave-in you added while washing. Wash everything from the hair. After washing, then you clean your hair with towel from the scalp to the hair, and then allow the hair to dry a bit on itself. You can choose to wrap your hair with a towel. It also absorbs part of the water. And then we apply glowy hair fertilizer in the hair, and then to massage the hair with the cream as well, so that you feel the mint as well, and the shaving powder can also do its work. Then after I comb the hair, I've already applied the comb, then apply a certain amount of setting lotion and then relax the hair. There will be a vivid video on how to do hair relaxing, and that one will be in soon. So just stay glow and comfortable as I bring all to you. After drying the hair, I choose the style I want. See how nice and neat the hair has become, and also how viscous the length has been. When you use this method of washing, you won't get breakages, and then your hair will be nice.